Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss about demand planning. As we know, the business starts with the market demand. It may be either for your product or services, whatever it is actually. And you are in a business to support the demand or the expectations or the requirements of the customer, which is the starting phase of the business, which normally sometimes is also called as the forecasting. So demand planning is the base for the forecast. The demand or forecast can be from the different angles. It can be based on to your sales performance, based on to your previous data about the requirement for the particular product from a customer at a particular price, at a particular delivery, at a particular quality. So these are the different parameters are there. And then customers are placing you an order and you go on compiling the orders, and then your forecasting system goes on building up all that details for a particular period. It may be for a week, month, quarter, year, 5 years, something like that, which is what is going to drive your sales and operation planning. Or that forecast is also further used, what I have shown it over here in a distribution resources planning. Now, what is the distribution resource? Because you are building up a product and then finally your customers may be in your city, they may be in your state, they may be in your country, or they may be in anywhere located in the world. So you have to build a system which will take your product or services to the customers and all. And that is where these are the different resources. The resources can not just warehouse to store your product. It also requires a distribution logistics system or the trucks, transportations and all that to take the products to the customers and all that. Finally, this also requires a support at your backend. The backend is into your manufacturing, which is called a master production schedule or a sales and operation planning. Or if you take it one more step further, it is an integrated business planning. So forecast becomes a starting point. On another side, when it comes to the demand planning, you have a distribution resource planning. But if it comes to a supply side, you have a master production schedule. And then that master production schedule works out to be what needs to be produced. And then that production requirement or a production plan gets converted into material requirement planning, which is indirectly supporting the supply planning. So when we start basis with the forecasting, which gets into distribution planning, master production planning, and then the material requirement planning. And when all this get integrated, it is called a integrated business planning. When we see a supply planning, the inventory plays a very important role because we are using the materials, and normally the contribution of the material cost into your sales cost or a production value goes up to 30-40%, and managing that inventory is a very important thing. So we have to really look this forecasting or a demand planning as a very crucial thing. As you see, forecasting has got a both ways relationship with the sales performance, but forecasting to distribution and production plan is a one way. So forecasting becomes a base to the further areas, and then you go on driving it. In the digitization, everybody is now talking about the digital supply chain. In the digital supply chain, demand planning and using the emerging technologies like artificial intelligence can really help you to get a real-time demand or real-time forecasting or real-time changes happening with the customer's expectation can drive you a good sales and operation planning. And this is where your company can be more profitable. So we have to really see how all these different functionalities get integrated for driving the business and achieving the excellence. Hope I tried to explain in a short the basic concepts about the forecasting and its interfaces onto various other areas. If you need more information, feel free to contact us. Please subscribe if you need more inputs from our side. Thank you. Bye.